Hey guys, I hope everyone is having an amazing day. I just wanted to pop in really quickly and let you guys know that our facial products, as you may have been wondering, they were not on the website because we had sold out, but I have a new batch of product ready to go. I'm actually labeling stuff right now. So this is our face wash. This is the glycolic acid face wash. If I can zoom that in. Hold on. Okay. So this is the face wash. Okay. This here is our mask. And over here, this is the face cream. This is a moisturizer. I haven't put the labels on these yet. I'm just starting. But these are going to be up on the website in a few minutes. By the time you see this video, they'll already be up. So you can definitely go ahead and check these out. We sell them as a kit with the face wash, the mask, and the face cream. But you can also get them separately if you just need to get like a refill of something you may be out of. Okay, I just want to let you know that these are back up on the website. They're back in stock, and yeah, thank you so much for your support. Love you guys, and I will see you very soon. All right.